KidsDwar. Learning is fun.
Let us learn the phonics sound of letters A to Z. A. A sounds like eh. Apple. Aeroplane. B. B sounds like b. Bus. Balloon. C. C sounds like car. Crab. D. D sounds like d. Dinosaur. Duck. E. E sounds like elephant. Egg. F. F sounds like fish. Flower. G. G sounds like goat. Guitar. H. H sounds like hat. Hand wash. I. I sounds like igloo. Iguana. J. J sounds like jam. Jug. K. K sounds like kangaroo. Koala. L. L sounds like lion. Lamp. M. M sounds like mosquito. Monkey. N. N sounds like nest. Nail cutter. O. O sounds like octopus. Orange. P. P sounds like panda. Peacock. Q. Q sounds like queen. Question mark. R. R sounds like rabbit. Rooster. S. S sounds like soap. Sloth. T. T sounds like tiger. Train. U. U sounds like umbrella. Unicorn. V. V sounds like vacuum cleaner. Vegetables. W. W sounds like W. W, W, wolf. W, W, washing machine. X sounds like X. X, X, xylophone. X, X, X-ray. Y sounds like Y. Y, Y, yogurt. Y, Y, yoga. Z sounds like Z. Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zoo. Thank you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your family and friends. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel.